Hi guys, it's the Vivian, the Somm Next Door, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing, woo, for an Ivation wine cooler. So if you like this kind of content, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let's open this up. It's actually not that heavy, like I can pick it up myself. So 18 bottles is not really that much, but I think for some intro people, this might be a good option. Or I think what I'm gonna do, since I have a 36 bottle cooler, is maybe I will keep this for some of my whites and make it a slightly cooler temperature so that it's ready to drink. Still like deciding where I want to put this.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks.
So you can get this wine fridge at Lowe's, Home Depot. I think I saw it on Wayfair, Amazon. You could also buy it directly from Ivation. Oh, that's not gonna happen. Oh, no. Oh, back. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. And you guys. This is what it has on here. So apparently there's gonna be a smell, but don't worry, not that big of a deal. That's what that says. And that it should be upright, which this definitely was. Let's get a nice close look. It has a kind of clear, but UV protected door, which is nice. So if you have it near a window, which I won't, the light won't impact the wines. That's only, like, you should really only care about that if you're doing like long-term storage. These metal racks can come out. Oh my God, I just hit myself. This is to ensure that, you know, even if you have like a fat sparkling wine bottle or like a Napa cab, which are a little bit bigger than Bordeaux size bottles, it will fit. So this is 18 bottles. So we will do the test. I don't really care for too much, but is that they have a little lock. So down here, you can even lock this wine fridge. And so if you have little kitties, you lock it and then no one can open it. Okay, so yeah, this is for red and white. It doesn't really matter. If people are curious to know how big this is in comparison to my Wine Enthusiast 36 bottle one, it is shorter. And much smaller because we are doubling its capacity. A nice side by side. Okay, so currently this reads 72, way too hot. Oh, 40. It's 420, 72 degrees. I'll let you know when this gets back down. It's been 3 minutes and it is now at 49 degrees. I initially put it 45, but I like changed my mind. So this one's gonna be at 49, I know, 49.50. It's gonna fluctuate, right? That's what happens with compressors. So this one will be my white wine fridge, ready to drink. And then this will be, I'll keep this at like a high 50 degrees. So I have 18 bottles and I'm going to see if they can fit in here. We will find out. It will go through the test. Let us start off, let's do bottom to top. The wine racks are not that like it's not like they're holding on to them. It's still a little slippery, so I'm like a little bit afraid that like I really hope nothing like falls out. Okay, so this one has like a big fat bottom. So long bottle for Rieslings. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Will that close? Okay, it closes. Okay, so long bottles or Rieslings are okay. On the bottom should just be able to just like sit upright, which is kind of nice. You know, that's a big fat bottle, so I'm sure like champagne bottles, you'd probably want to put it down below here. Yeah, so this does not, it's not really, I mean, I guess I could just shove it in. Okay, it actually worked. I just shoved that in. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. What is it? Is it the top ones? Okay, so there are 18 bottles in here. I did get it to work. I had to finagle it, but it does fit 18 bottles and some really tall ones like the Rieslings, but you shouldn't put them on the top rack. Apparently that has the least amount of space, so Riesling bottles, tall flutes in the middle where there's more space. And then on the bottom is a great place for fat bottles, but the fat bottles did pretty good. So I'm pleasantly surprised. Oh yeah, see, because I kept it open, now it's at 60. But I'm pleasantly surprised that 18 bottles fit pretty comfortably in here. Now again, like the racks were kind of wobbly, but not so bad. So far, so good. I'm going to monitor it for the next week or so, and I will tune in and do another checkpoint in a few days. Okay, so it's been a week since I've had my Ivation 18 bottle compressor wine fridge, and I want to give my final thoughts on what I think about the fridge. As you can hear, it is on. I will say that it is a little bit louder than my wine enthusiast fridge, which I had to replace. So now it's quieter, but it is not making any loud thumping noises, nothing out of the ordinary. I'm not surprised that it makes some humming noises. I guess I'm slightly disappointed that it's a little bit louder than I thought, but again, it's a compressor. You can put it anywhere. So yeah, you can put it in a garage, you could put it in your attic. You don't have to put it in the middle of your apartment like I am doing. As you guys saw, I was able to put the 18 bottles into the wine fridge. Okay, it took a little finagling, but we got all of them in. Different types of bottles did fit into the Ivation wine fridge. I will give it that. I did not have any issues. Whereas, I'm gonna be honest, wine enthusiast, I don't know if your 36 bottles is 36 bottles. I'm having a tougher time believing that one. In terms of accuracy of bottle size, I think Ivation did a very, very good job. Capacity, great. Noise, meh, it's fine, it's fine. Price point, very, very good. Probably one of the cheapest on the markets out there. Look-wise, very sleek. Nice looking wine fridge. And most importantly, does it hold the temperature? Yes, it does hold the temperature. I haven't had any issues. It's kept it 50 degrees and it's kept it, or like, you know, plus or minus like 2 degrees. So no issues with that so far. I know it's only been a week. Who is the target buyer for the Ivation 18 bottle compressor. I think people who are starting out in their wine collecting journey and want to start keeping bottles for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then this is the wine fridge for you. 18 bottles. Let's be honest, you don't have to put all your wines in there. If you're trying to just drink them, it really is not going to be critical that it needs to be in a wine fridge. It's really for those wines that you want to age for more than a year or two. Then you'd want to use this wine fridge. If you're an avid collector, yes, maybe this is not the wine fridge for you, because I am sure that you will go through that 18 bottle capacity in a snap. Okay, so yeah, maybe not for you. That was my Ivation wine fridge review, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, comment down below, and please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any other wine fridge people who want to send it my way, I will be happy to review it. And I don't have a wine, but cheers, you guys. I will catch you guys later.